This year's almost over, and I'm going to answer a question right now I got on Instagram from somebody who said, James, I'm watching your videos all over social media. What the hell do you do? What are you doing? How do you do it? How much money do you make? That's all they want to know is what do you do and how much money you want to make, right? Well, let me tell you what I do, and then I'm going to see if I can help you get involved as well, because we need a lot of help. I'm actually hiring. I'm looking for people who want to learn how to make six figures a year, a couple $100,000 a year, minimum $150,000 to $300,000 your first year as a professional online coach. If you're interested, keep watching. If you love this content, smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Let me show you how to get involved in the number one business in the world. Number one business in the world, which is education, teaching people how to do one thing, and that's make more money. So if you've been following me at all on social media, or if you're brand new, my name is James Paradise. I live in Paradise, hence the name. And what I do is I help people with a lot of different things. I'm a coach, I'm a mentor. I help people find a solution to the problem. Because a lot of people have a lot of problems, right? You probably have some problems. But in my life, I don't have problems. I don't talk about problems. We talk about solutions. Solutions are the only thing that's going to change your life. So if you listen to any multimillionaire, any billionaire, any successful person, they're always going to talk about, here's how I came up with this. Here's how I solved this problem. Here's how I came up with this solution, right? And they probably didn't do it themselves. They found it out from somebody else who already came up with the solution, right? Make sense? So if you're trying to figure out a new way to figure out how to do something, you're wasting your time. Somebody's already done it. All you have to do is copy it. So what I teach people to do is to copy successful systems and take action. That's what a coach does. That's what a mentor does. So let me explain first real quick the difference between a consultant, a coach, and a mentor, because most people, including you, have no idea what the difference is. And I'm telling you, it's huge. It's life-changing. So listen up real quick. Okay, so here's how it works. A consultant, man, it is beautiful out today. I'm in the Caribbean, Mexico, at the rooftop pool. I worked a couple of hours this morning from about 8 a.m. to about 12 noon. I'm done for the day. I'm actually going to go to the beach for a run, jump in the ocean. Well, listen, real quick. A consultant. What does a consultant do? A consultant shows somebody or a business what they need to do to make more money. They show you what to do, or they tell you what to do, but they don't do it with you and they don't do it for you. They don't do anything except one thing. They tell you, here's what you need to do to be more successful. These are the steps you need to take. This is the hardware, the software, the systems you need, and the plan, and the schedule to do what you need to do to make more money. That's what they do. They tell you what to do and show you what you need to do, but they don't do anything else. For example, one of my friends used to be a consultant for IBM. For about 7 years, they flew him around the country, and they would go into businesses, and he would say, this is the things you need to do to be more successful. Good luck. Do these things, and you'll make more money. And then sometimes they would say, wait, can you help us do it? Do it for us. We don't know how to do it. We want to do those things. So he would say, yes, I will bring in a team from IBM of specialists to your office for the next 30 days, and they will do it for you. You will watch, they will teach you, you will learn, you will do it together, and they will set up the system for you because you don't know how. But that's going to cost a lot of money. I mean, he used to make $150,000, $175,000 a year just traveling to companies, telling them what they need to do. Then IBM, if the business hired them, IBM would bring in a team of professionals. I'm talking a team, like 4, 5, 6 people, and they would spend 1 week to 30 days with that company setting up their whole new business. Because for 2021, everything's changed. If you think you're going to do in 2021 what you were doing in 2020 to make money, you're out of your mind. You're insane. You're an idiot. It's not going to work. You have to change everything because of what happened with the COVID-19 disaster. So a consultant tells people what they need to do to be more successful, to make more money. That's the first thing, okay? The second thing is called a coach. What does a coach do? What does a coach do? A football coach, a baseball coach, a volleyball coach, a soccer coach, a swimming coach. What does any coach do? A coach coaches you. They say, okay, these are the things we're gonna do. You need to do this. We're gonna put a play together, and we're gonna run down the field. You're gonna run down the field with the team, and you're gonna score a touchdown, right? But you need to do these things. Hut 1, hut 2, go left, go right, pass the ball, go 50 yards. A coach coaches you. He guides you. He says, okay, here's the things that your consultant said. Now let me show you how to take those things and actually take action and get down the field and score a touchdown, or score a basketball goal, or score put the golf ball in the hole, right? Some of the most famous golfing coaches in the world are millionaires because professional golfers hire them to coach them and show them exactly what they need to do and how to do it, and show them exactly the plan, the playbook, right? You ever see a quarterback in the NFL? He's got this play on his arms. He's always looking at his arm every time for the next play. And it comes from the coach, but it really comes from the manager up in the booth down to the coach. The coach says, hey, do this, right? That's what a coach does. He's there with you, guiding you. But again, he doesn't do it for you, and he doesn't do it with you. He's not running on the field with you. Does that make sense? So a consultant shows you what to do, tells you what to do, and then the coach shows you how to implement it, how to get it started, and he's there with you live, but he's not doing it for you. No coach is going to run down the field with the football and score a touchdown. The quarterback has to do that. The running back has to do that. The wide receiver has to do that, right? No coach is going to take you and say, hey, I'm going to do it with you together. Let's run our business on the internet. Let's run our real estate business, and we'll do it together for life. That's not what a coach does. A coach is there to guide you and keep you focused to get the plays, get down the field, score the touchdown, and make the money. Got it? That's a coach. Now let's talk about a mentor. Okay, now a mentor with my lovely green carpet background on the wall. Isn't this nice? Beautiful place, guys. I live in paradise. I love this place. So check this out. A mentor, which is what I am, this is what I do. A mentor takes what the consultant told you that you need to do to make more money. The coach is showing you what you need to do to make more money. And then the mentor says, hey, I'll do it for you and with you. You're going to do it with me. We've got the play, we've got the consultant, we've got the coach, we've got all that, we've got the plays, we got the plan, we got the schedule, we got the software, we got the hardware, we got the steps, we got the goals. Now, we need to get our ass up in the morning. We're gonna go to work. We're gonna work on. We're gonna eat. We're gonna drink. We're gonna sleep. We're gonna live this business together. I'm gonna do it with you, and I'm gonna make you successful. But we do it together. I'm gonna mentor you. You're gonna be right over my shoulder here. You're gonna listen to everything I'm saying, everything I'm doing, putting together on social media with my websites, my web pages. We're gonna put together your business for you, but I'm gonna do it for you. You're gonna watch. I'm gonna tell you what to do. You're gonna do the work. We're gonna do it together. We're gonna do it together, and I'm gonna mentor you together. It's like we're gonna take the football together. I'm gonna hold half of the football. You're gonna hold the other half of the football. We're gonna run down the field together, and we're gonna score a touchdown together, because I want to see proof, guaranteed, that you are succeeding and that you are scoring a touchdown and you are making more money. We will celebrate together live. That's what a mentor does. A mentor takes everything that you want to do, and he says, okay, here's what we need to do. Step 1, step 2, step 3, here's the 21 steps. Now we're going to put the plays together. We're going to put 7 plays that we're going to put together every day to score a touchdown and make more money every day. And I'm going to do it with you. I'm going to set it up for you. We're going to set it up. I'm going to tell you, we're going to do it together. So you're going to come to me, or I'm going to come to you. We're going to spend 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 30 days, 1 year. It doesn't matter. Whatever we need to do to hit your goal. If your goal is $1,000 a day, I can show you how to do that. We'll do it together. It'll take 1 day. If you want to make $10,000 a day, that's going to take more time. We're going to need at least 30 days to spend together live, and I'll get you to $10,000 a day. If you want to make $1 million a year, you're going to have to spend time with me every day, every week, every month for 1 year to get to that $1 million, because it's not easy. It's freaking hard, man, to make $1 million a year, but it's simple when you have a mentor. You take what the consultant told you need to do. You take what the coach is showing you how to do it. And then a mentor does it with you. We hang on to each other like brothers and sisters and business partners. We hug each other along the way. And we score touchdowns every day, which means we're making money every day. If you need a mentor, I'd like to help you. Click on the link in the description below or just comment. Simply send a comment and say, James, I need a mentor, help me. I can help you with anything in life, from financials to banking to real estate to selling. I'm like the top salesperson over the phone, online, in person. I'm an extrovert. I'm a people person. I can go out right now on the beach and I can introduce myself to 100 people. I guarantee you 10 people will say, James, I love what you're saying. You're hired. How much? And that's what you want to hear. The number one thing you want to hear from people in 2021, if you're going to make more money, if you're going to change your life, listen to me right now. Stop listening to all the bullshit. Stop watching videos. Stop wasting your time buying courses. You need to hear this. This is what you need to hear. 2 words, and you'll make a fortune. How much? So that's it, guys. I hope I answered your question from my Instagram follower. How much? How much? How much? When people are asking you how much, that means they love you, they're interested in you helping them, and they want to know how much. And guess what? When you hear those 2 words, how much, you better tell them how much you're worth. I'm worth $1 million. How much? $1 million. That's minimum per year. If I'm not making $1 million a year, I'm really pissed off. So when somebody says to me, how much, I say, how much are you worth? They don't even know how to answer that. They say, what do you mean? That's exactly why you're not successful. You need to know how much you're worth. And I'm telling you, you're worth millions of dollars. You're worth $1 million a day. You need to tell yourself that every day. I'm worth $1 million a day. I'm worth $1 million a year, or you'll never have it. So how much? How much? How much are you worth? And how much are you willing to invest into a very highly skilled, professional, money-motivated, hungry person who will mentor you to have the same attitude, and then nothing will stop you? How much? How much? Comment below and say, how much?